Welcome to Lunch Lady Land. Today we're making your favorite high school cafeteria pizza. Remember on Fridays these were always so happy? Well, what's wrong with having it on a weekend? This started out as frozen dough. I don't know if we do that in school, but it was a little round log. And look what happened to it. There's the dough. Whoa. Yeah. Ooh. Almost ready. I don't know if they did it like that in school. You think? And now it looks like this. We like to make them square so there's enough for everybody. I'll roll this out. I had it better than this. Oh, la, 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 la. Swanee, Swanee. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Save the liver. Now we usually just make his cheese pizza, but sometimes I feel generous and we have some leftover pepperoni. Sometimes we have sausage, and I make half meat for the good students and plain for the good students. Sometimes we have a sheet this big. Sometimes I make 4 of these and put these on a giant sheet and put them in the industrial oven in the wood shop. Do I think that looks good? They'll never notice. They just love pizza. Get our industrial vat of pizza sauce. Oh, Mr. Hendricks, would you open this for me? Never mind, I got it. Call the custodian, please.
Lunch Lady Land.
The kitties love their pizza. We make every slice with love. So the secret to your Lunch Lady Cafeteria high school, junior high school, elementary school pizza is get a big sheet pan, get some dough, get a ladle. Oh, don't forget the ladle, lady. And put all your good stuff on it. I have pre-shredded mozzarella cheese. We love the cheese. Sometimes we don't give you too much because we gotta feed 1,000 people. But today I feel generous. A little bit more. I'm just using the regular home economics oven, heated to 400 degrees this day. This is an after-school project for you. Pepperoni. Yesterday's meatloaf was today's Sloppy Joe's.
Sloppy Joe, sloppy Joe.
Mr. Hendricks! Could you get a custodian to open these for me, please?
Mr. Hendricks.
We put a little garlic powder, secret recipe, put a little oregano for those who know. And since I'm feeling generous, the half I'm going to make plain for the plain people. The other half I'm going to make a little sausage, and thank you, sir.
Welcome.
I'll tell you're outside shoveling snow. This is the highlight of your week, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Ooh. Getting saucy. Getting saucy. And remember, since I said it's my favorite time of the week, and I feel generous today, I'm gonna add a little sausage to the meat lover side. I might have a slice of this side. Ooh. You know how they cry when you get a hunk of meat over there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Lunch Lady Doris here. Going in. 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Or whatever comes first. Now I get to eat the leftovers. That's why Lunch Lady Doris gained a little weight. But I try to hide it with my time to eat apron. And now that I'm done cooking, I put my clean gloves on. And I rock out till the pizza comes out. Joe, slop, sloppy Joe, sloppy Joe, slop, sloppy Joe. Let's look in the oven. Let's look in there. Oh, you like it? Oh, don't get too close. Don't burn yourself. Oh, yeah. Doesn't that look good? We're gonna let it go for 5 minutes. Okay? Snarl. Snarl. Hungry.
Hey, Munchlie, is the pizza done yet?
It's bubbling. It's bubbling!
Can we have some?
Sit down and shut up! What's your name? Hoagies and grinders, hoagies and grinders. Navy beans, navy beans, navy beans. Oh, honey, look at this pie. Oh, please. Feast your eyes on that pizza pie. Ooh. Lunch Lady Doris got burnt. We're gonna let this cool a little bit. What do you think? Doesn't it look delicious? Does this remind you of that day? This was a holiday over here. See? Sloppy Joe, sloppy Joe. Non-stick pan, stuck, of course. Oh, just like Fridays. Let it cool. Let it cool. Don't be a fool. Stay in school. I know everybody's very hungry. First, we're going to split the meat lovers from the non-meat lovers. Then we're going to cut little skimpy pieces. That's not too skimpy. You don't eat too much anyway. See? Go like that. Go like this. Somebody's going to be happy with this half. Just like school days. Oh, somebody's gonna get big ones down here. How's that look for you? And the lunch lady samples everything I make for you to make sure it's good. And today is no exception. Who wants plain?
I do.
Well, you're getting a nice big piece. Still a little hot. How do you like it? You like corners, crusts?
Oh, anything is good.
Corner piece? He likes a corner piece. These non-stick pans are amazing. There you go. Whoops. That's that, guys. Oh, that belongs to you. You love that cheese on there. I know you do. Now go up the road, get your peas and carrots and potato chips, okay? Our lunch lady tries one of these delicious meat lovers slices. I do believe I'll take this nice corner piece here. Don't want to make a pig of myself. Or is it too late for that? That's some supreme lunch lady cafeteria pizza. Probably still too hot, isn't it? But I can't wait. It's lunchtime. Anybody want plain?
Oh, thank you.
It's so good.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm glad you all stopped by on your day off to visit me at home to watch me make my favorite pizza for you. And remember, be cool, stay in school, and always return your trays. Bye-bye, everyone. I'll get you next time. It's next time.